Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video of AP Knowledge Point. From the world's tallest statue to ancient temples and colorful Garba nights, Gujarat is full of culture and tourism. In today's video, we will study the famous tourist places and cultural identity of Gujarat. So let's begin. Gujarat is land of rich heritage, colorful traditions, and beautiful tourist destinations. Gujarat's culture is reflected in its folk dances like Garba and Dandiya Ras, traditional dresses, handicrafts, and delicious food. The spirit of Atithi Devo Bhava makes Gujarat warm and welcoming for visitors. Statue of Unity. The most famous tourist place in Gujarat is the Statue of Unity. It is the tallest statue in the world. It is dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known as the Iron Man of India. Somnath Temple. Somnath Temple is one of the 12 Jyotirling of Lord Shiva. It is one of the most sacred pilgrimage sites in India. It has great religious and historical importance. Dwarkadhish Temple. Dwarkadhish Temple is dedicated to Lord Krishna. Dwarka is considered one of the Char Dhams of pilgrimage sites. Gir National Park. Gir National Park is famous as the only natural habitat of Asiatic lion. Run of Kutch. The white desert of Run of Kutch is world famous. The Ranotsav festival is celebrated every year. It attracts tourists from India and abroad. Sabarmati Ashram. Sabarmati Ashram is associated with Mahatma Gandhi. The Dandi March started from here. It is historically very important. Culture of Gujarat. Gujarat is known for rich traditions and colorful festivals. The most famous dance forms are Garba and Dandiya Ras. They are especially popular during Navratri. Navratri is celebrated with great energy and beauty. Famous food. Popular Gujarati foods include dhokla, thepla, fafda, khandvi, and undhiyu. So, let us have a quick revision of what we have seen in today's video. Tallest statue, Statue of Unity. 12 Jyotirlinga, Somnath. Char Dham site, Dwarka. Only natural habitat of Asiatic lion, that is Gir. Famous festival, that is Navratri, and popular dance, Garba. So, ending this video here, in the next video, we will study famous personalities and current affairs of Gujarat. So, stay connected and keep learning. Subscribe the channel, and to get notified for the new videos, press the bell icon.